I gotta say. So you know that Nas trade that, like I got into before I left, right? It hits fucking stop loss. It spiked down, hit stop loss, but I should have just waited until it came back to my other zone. But because how Nas has been, I wasn't being impatient before y'all be like, oh, you over trading, impatient. No, I was just adapting to how the markets have been moving lately. Because Nas will make swing highs, swing lows, and then make an indication correction and a continuation, and then start plummeting up. So I was just adapting to how they were moving, but no, they're still moving exactly how I should just strictly be trading. So that's why. So that's why I lost earlier. But I'm in gold right now, obviously. So here's gold. Gold is pushing down like a motherfucker. Which, remember I told y'all, off of this zone, like these swing highs because it pushed down, these swing lows because it had a massive push up. Like this was the swing lows that had to push up like right here, but then it really started pushing up. So we got an indication. Oh wait, no. It gave us the indication right here, right? We're too zoomed out right now. Okay, it gave us the indication right here. That's a good breakout too, because that's where I would get in. Let me see. I think that's where I got in for real. I got in like a little lower than that, but still, that's still a good indication for me. As long as I know that I would get in around that area or something like that, then yeah, that's still a good indication because it clearly broke out. It gave us an indication, correction, and a continuation. I'm telling y'all boys, even if I would have fucked up and like, oh well, that's not a strong push out, it still gave me. It's not like it barely pushed out like right there or a little below. Like it actually broke out. Like it gave me a. I don't want to talk about this just because like it's gonna confuse me because like now it doesn't look like a good breakout, but trust me, that's a clear indication. Like now I have to wait for another buy, so it gave me an indication, correction, and a continuation. Stop loss would have been set right here, but I wasn't confident yet because what if it came up and smacked that area then stopped back down? So I put it right. Whenever I think a stop loss is too tight, I'll go up to the next lower high or the next higher low. So this is the next higher low it had before pushing down. So I had it right here above this high. And then now, obviously, just pushing down like a motherfucker. On the NASDAQ, I'm waiting for more of a retracement back into my old zone right here. These highs because it pushed down, these lows because it had a nice push up, swing highs, swing lows. Got the indication, correction, hopefully a correction, a continuation. So yeah, right now we're up like a motherfucker, but I'm gonna go shower and probably go to sleep. But I'll come back to y'all whenever I do go to sleep. That way y'all know. But yeah, I'll catch y'all boys in a little bit. Fuck boys, like I'm finna go take a shower, but holy shit, my trade's spiking down right now. Fuck, what is this? 52,000. Legit only need because I'm like I think I'm only going for 1 to 3. What's Nas looking like? Spiking down. Good spot. I might have to stay up though, no cap. Might have to wait to take a shower. Because as soon as I get in that shower, dude, I'm gonna put that bitch on the heat and then I'm gonna get real tired. So. Fuck. Hold on. See my student text me. Peek the fucking trade. Holy shit. My mouse died, but and making a video real quick for the YouTube and the WAP. Look at that shit, boy. Well, I only risked like 1% on this trade, but still, at least I go into next week being up like a motherfucker. Look at that shit. It's just pushing down like a motherfucker right now. Oh my goodness. Let's fucking go. Oh, boys, I might end up taking this bitch out early. No cap. It's like, no way it just keeps on pushing down like this. Like it's gonna have to have a retracement at some point. Yeah. But who knows? Like, it might end up hitting my TP first and then pushing back up. That'd be fire. I'd be at $2,500. Let me see. Because I'm only missing out on how much right now. Because so I'm getting $1,500. So I'm missing out on 400. No, like 389 right now. That's insane. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, I did not expect it to pull down this fucking much in just a couple of minutes. I mean, I say a couple of minutes. I've been in this trade since market open. So, I mean, no. That's a lie. Since 15, so at 3 o'clock. No way it's been 10 hours. There's just no fucking way. No way it's been 10 hours. Holy shit, maybe it has been 10 hours. That means I've been up for a fucking minute right now. Dude, that might end up hitting TP right now. Holy shit. Let's go. So, I'll pass my account. All I need is one more trade after this. So, if I didn't lose that one trade, then I would be up. Because I was at 51,600. So, I would be at like 52,000. No, 53,000 right now. Holy shit, boys. What the fuck is this candle right now? Fuck. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Holy shit. I waited on this trade for could you not. Look at me weeks. I mean, it's been at least over a week. What? No way. Like, it's only been 2 days. There's just no fucking way. Oh, I mean, damn. To be honest, I lost this trade and that trade. But I remember I had brought it up all the way so that it doesn't even fucking matter. But, see. I've had this same setup since... Let me see. For a minute, for sure. Let me see. For 7 days. That's insane. Alright, come on. Go. Keep on pushing, baby. I know you want to. Let me see. All I need is... I might just snag it now. That way I know for sure. Because like, it's going to end up pulling back up for sure. There's no way it doesn't pull back up. Actually, it might want to hit these lows first. Let me see. My TP. Dude, I'm taking out before. So... Fuck. It's been a crazy ass week, huh, boys? Let's see, Naz. Naz, I need it to pull down a little more. Let's go. Oh, I need Naz to pull back down to like right here, then it to push up. Then I'm getting into this fucking long. I'm gonna long this bitch. Look at that fucking candle, boys. Holy shit. It's for sure like gonna want to sweep these lows down here. There's just no fucking way it doesn't sweep those lows. It's gonna come down and sweep these lows and probably push back up. Watch it sweep these lows right here. Like, so probably around my alert, and then it's gonna push back up for sure. There's no way it doesn't. You see the biggest wake back up in history. That's like fuck. I'll take that bitch out break even. There's just no way. Holy shit. I mean, at this point, boys, all I need is just... Because I'm down money for the day, but not really. I'll be up 2.5, so I only need another... Yes, I'm only up 2% right now, but I'll be up around 4.5% after this trade is TP. That's insane, boys. I literally... So I was supposed to go to my brother's house tonight, but they had some shit going on like with the AC, so I was not trying to be fucking hot. But yeah, they're gonna fix it. What the fuck is it waking back up? Let me see. What are the fees on this trade? Oh wait, hold on. Oh, that's not bad at all. The fee is small as fuck. But yeah, so I was supposed to go like to my brother's, but obviously I didn't. So boys, on low cap, I'm gonna go fucking take a piss real quick. So I will catch you on like maybe like 2 minutes. But damn, my TP looks a lot closer than it is on the 15 minute. Why does it look not that close at all? Let me see. My TP on here is at 4541. 4541. So this one's at 45. Oh, yeah, so we're on the same area. Alright, boys, like, I'll be right back. Well, boys, I know y'all see a difference. I took out my fucking trade, boys. Took it out right here. I was in the shower. Wait, maybe I took it out like right here. Because I took it out at, let me see if it'll show me. Actually, hold on. Hold on. TP, no, close price 4563. 4563. Damn, yeah, so I closed it up here, and so like it spiked down like a little further to a almost a 1 to 3. But I took it out just because it was only $200 off my TP. Like my TP was $5,100. I mean $1,500. So I legit got I was $300 off, which didn't really matter because I was counting it as my balance. So I think I need $3 more thousand to pass. Wait, no, I need 5. I need $2,700 to pass. Let's see. I should be up like 5% right now. Okay, so 4. So I need another. Do the math. I need to turn my phone before I go to sleep. The fuck's my calculator at? Took a shower. I thought like I was taking a piss. I lied. Okay, so 5,000 minus 2,310. And I need to earn another $2,700, and then I can pass my account. So let me see, 2,700 divided by 3. 2,700 divided by 3. I need to risk $900. At that point, I might as well I just risk 1,000. So if I lose, I'll be at 51,300. So not too bad, actually. So, where the fuck's my bait? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so I lost this trade first. Sucks, because I knew it was going to end up pulling back. Somebody text me? Nope. It's okay, because I took out my fucking trade out. Let's fucking go. So I'm done with this trade. Can retire from gold for the week. NASDAQ is my last trade for the week because it's going to be Friday anyway. So depending how big my stop loss is, bro, dude, I'm going to have it just below though. That's fucking huge. I won't have it more than this big because down here is insane. I want to have it at least somewhere right here. Go for 1 to 3. It might stay up until I get my entry, no cap, because I know it's going to happen here soon. So I'm just going to chill here for a little bit, probably for like an hour. Maybe play the game or watch some TV. But yeah, I'll come back to y'all boys in a little bit. Oh, it's not changing. She said 5 days, but right now, current margin, highest, 0.5 profit violation. What the fuck? What does that mean? Okay, it says I'm clean, so profit violation. What the fuck does that mean? Profit from violation. Oh, from violation. Okay, so I need $3,000. Oh, perfect. That works just perfectly fine. Oh, wait, daily loss. Ah, that's fine. All right, that's perfect. All right. I need another $3,000 and I can pass my fucking account. Bro, I'm gonna risk $1,000 on this fucking NAS trade. So I'm gonna lay down, set some alerts. Get the fuck out of here. I don't have any alerts set. What the fuck that was? My shit's fucking tweaking right now. So again, so y'all can see, marked out these swing highs because it pushed down, these swing lows because it pushed up. Now recently, like we could have marked out these highs because it pushed down, these lows because it pushed up. Then like we already got the indication, correction, and a continuation. I already would have hit TP by now. Actually, let me see, because I can low-key move these zones down to here, and then move these highs to right here. Let's see. That would not have hit yet. It would have gotten really close though. I'd feel more confident if I just wait for my other trade. Because like if I risk 1,000 right now, it's not really for sure that it's gonna buy back up. I mean, let me see the 4 hour. The 4 hour does look fucking good. You see off this other zone right here. By the time I get the continuation, I'll already be up quite a bit. You see, because we got these past zones, we got these highs because it pushed down, these lows because it pushed up. Got the indication, correction, and a continuation. I probably will get in for a little bit, because that is 600 pips. But 1,000 though, I don't know about $1,000. Let's see. I mean, it feels good for a band, just because it already came back, made these highs, made a higher low, higher high, higher low. Overall, it's making structure. Made these highs, made a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I do feel good about getting in for a buy. How big would my TP be if I got in? Up here, stop loss would have to be at least below a higher low. So 1 to 3 would be, yeah, in the exact same area. So we'll probably just get in now. Stop loss right there. Let's go ahead and just get in real quick, boys. $20. Well, I best wake up to this shit and profit like a motherfucker. I only need $2,700, so let me see. Because I look, forgot about this setup until I just seen it recently. I saw it earlier this morning, but it wasn't for sure a good setup until it made better structure. That's only a 2.5 right there. Bro, that could definitely hit. Had to just wait until TP actually gets hit. But shit, boys, like I finna crash for a little bit, beat the trade one more time. So you could either have these highs, these lows, wait for the like the continuation, and then get in, or you can get in like this. Make sure like whenever like you get into a trade, boys, like you don't ever miss out on a trade. You feel me? Like any old zones. So always make sure you look back and you see, okay, well, why did this push up and make another a swing high, swing low? Okay, well, we had this massive swing low. Why is this a swing low? Because it had a massive push up. So you mark out this as a swing low. What caused that push down? This swing high right here. This high had it pushed up hella and then swung down. So these swing highs, swing lows. Now the correction was, yeah, that was a good correction. It pushed down a good amount to where it's telling me that now, because it pushed back up, now it wants to buy. So hopefully I wake up and this bitch is in profit like a motherfucker. If I lose, then it is what it is. We just start back in profit for the week next week. So I really won't care. But I would like to be up. So, but shit. Love y'all, boys, and I'll come back to y'all later in the morning. Why is my shit not charging? Hold up. Shit says not charging. Alright, boys, but I'll come back to y'all in the fucking morning. Peace. Boys, what is up? Obviously, you see the NAS reverse and hit my stop loss, but I think it's giving me a re-entry right now. So I might have to get into, like, for the re-entry. Stop loss was right here, but I don't know if that's too short. There we go. So do the same stop loss as earlier.
Well, instead of doing 500, we'll only do, because if I would have my stop loss down here, like I would never have gotten wicked out. I knew I should have had it down there, but it's what it is. So 26. Two racks. So I'll be at shit. I'll be at 3,200 after this trade hits TP. I knew I should have my stop loss deeper. You know it's crazy. I was already up $600 earlier last night when it was right here. I was laying down and I saw an alert go off because like I had like an old alert on NAS, but it went off and it hit my alert. I was like, holy shit, I'm already up $600. But yeah, so go for the exact same entry. Let's do it again. But let's see how this re-entry goes. I think it's gonna go better this time, but we'll see. Fuck it. I know I should have just held gold for a little longer. I know I should have, but shit, like how it was pushing down, like damn. But it would have just now hit TP. Now it's just sitting around at like a 1 to 3, so I don't even care. SPX. Okay. Actually, no, because that was a big ass breakout. Like I would have gotten in. It's too big. But and that's just a better setup. God, stop smelling me, bro. Lay down. Lay down. I love you. Lay down. I'm like shit, bro. Fuck. Ugh. I was tired and then I wasn't whenever I was laying down and then I was really tired but I couldn't go to sleep. I don't know, it was so fucking weird. That first entry would have been low-key too big. Yeah. Too big of an entry, so then like I would have gone in right here, then would have gotten wicked out. But it's a good thing like I didn't get in, because then now I can get in for the re-entry right here. And the stop loss would be on this low. Well, I could put it right here. It would be a lot deeper. Like I said, like, that is a higher low, so I need to start putting my stop losses at higher lows, because where I put it earlier, it was not a higher low. So that's what the fuck I get. How much am I down today? Let's see, it'll show me. Daily loss till now is $370. 306. So I'm risking 500. So that's 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So I can still risk another 350. That's what I'll do. If both of these trades hit and they don't hit stop loss, 1,500. So I only need $500 more to pass my account after this trade hits. After both of these trades hit it. So we'll see. Because this was a big entry right there. I wouldn't have gone in just because how big. Because my entries are literally like right there. So boom, from right there to yeah, it's kind of big. And then boom, it pulled back, wiped me out. Boom. So we'll see how this trade goes. I do think this one will go good. Sometimes you lose a couple times before you can get that main trade, but that's why you are in other trades before you lose those other ones. You feel me? So see how this bitch goes. Fuck. But boys, I'll catch you on a little bit. No cap, I'm just gonna fucking chill. I hopped on 2 calls this morning. Fucking around. I had a call at 6:30, and then I didn't have another call until around like 8:45, 9 o'clock. Hopped on that call. So each call is like an hour and a half. So I literally just actually started, doing shit on my own. So, I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and I'll go back to y'all probably around like 1:30, 2 o'clock.
All right, boys. It's a couple hours. It's like an hour and a half later. We got SPX pushing up, and then we got NAS pulling up too. So if I would have had my stop loss bigger last time, then I would have gone stopped out. My TP would have been like right here, but I knew I should have had my stop loss. I knew I should have had it right here. Like something was telling me to move it. Something was telling me, bro. I knew I should have just moved it, bro. Yeah, because I'll be matching TPs right now. I knew I should have just fucking moved it. Fuck. Even though like I would have missed by 1 pip, it does that. I don't know why it does that. It just does. So I guess I had to move this down to here. I don't know if it's gonna go up that fucking. Actually, knowing Naz, it probably fucking will. $2,000. What about SPX? SPX stop loss is good. But boys, I'll come back to y'all whenever market closes. I'll post this video and everything. But yeah, I'm still up on the day. I'm still up because I was at I was at 50,500. So I'm still up $1,200. But I would like to be up. Whenever market closes, I'll just add all this up. I'll be like up 2K or something. Because I should be up around 2K. But shit, I love y'all boys. And I will catch y'all in a little bit. I'm going to go, what's it called? I'm going to go let my dog out and shit. And then, yeah, just chill. But love y'all boys. Alright boys, I'm going to probably end this video right now. So that way I can have it up to y'all. But yeah, right now, SPX is pushing back down. And then so is NAS. But I think she's making a little retracement. We'll see though. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'll catch y'all next week. The account is up $1,500. So I only need, if both of these trades hit TP, then I'll pass my account. So let's hopefully going into next week they both hit TP. But I'll show you how to set up one more time. Okay, so for Naz, so we have. Like the only reason I lost earlier is just because I didn't have the bigger stop loss in it, and I knew I should have. Oh no, SBX, my fault. SBX is wrong because I was on NAS. But okay, so remember I have these swing highs and these swing lows. We got the indication. Because you're getting up on the desk too hard, bro. Damn. Okay, yeah, but like I got these swing highs because it pushed down. These swing lows because it pushed up. It gave me the indication, correction, and a continuation. Boom. So stop losses are below the higher low, and then NAS, we got same thing. Got these swing highs because it pushed down. These swing lows because it pushed up. Got the indication, correction, and a continuation. Lost it. Oh no. I still would have been in if I would have had this big stop loss, but obviously, I had a shorter stop loss. So right here. So yeah, faked out, and then now it's going back up. So we'll see how these bitches go though. But I will let y'all know how this trade goes on Sunday. I will be gone until like Sunday market open because I'm leaving for my brother's later today. So, but I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great fucking weekend. And yeah, God bless. Love y'all.